Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button to stay updated. Like, share, make your comments if there's anything, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. We will be giving you back-to-back updates on our Telegram channel. So, follow our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we should be expecting next on GBPUSD. So, let's zoom it out. At first, GBPUSD was clearly on a bullish move, which we are. Let's go to daily time frame. I think daily time frame is more preferable. So you can see it first moved up. Then if it's to sit on a 4-hour time frame, which is clear, you can see an higher highs and an higher lows was literally playing out. You can see it was literally trending upward. You can see it was a buy. But right now, what can you see? What is our current trend? Definitely, it is a downtrend move. GBPUSD is what it is selling. So we should be expecting more sell on GBPUSD. So I'll be expecting this sell for the day to a level of 1.28. We are currently at a level of 1.28541. Remember, GBPUSD is currently trading at a level of 1.28541. So I will be expecting this drop to a level of 1.28093. Remember, to a level of 1.28093. That is what we'll be expecting it to. Now let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. You clearly can start first. It is downtrend move. So we see something like this. For quick analysis, here is our lower lows. This is also our lower highs. Take a look at this lower lows, lower highs. This is our lower lows. So market is currently giving us a lower highs. So once this lower highs plays out finish, what we should be expecting next on GBPUSD is a new lower low. So once this lower highs plays out finish, we should be looking for another sell to the downside on GBPUSD. So we'll be expecting more sell to the downside on GBPUSD. Stay updated. Follow our Telegram channel. So we will be giving back-to-back updates. The link to the Telegram channel may be in the comment section.